Hey, Tom. Doing a big spring cleaning?
Way!
Well, that's a very special way to clean.
Yay!
Oh. Hey, Gary. Oh, you seem upset. You've seen something horrifying while you were working? The wind spread the trash all over the canal?
Ah.
In the streets, too? Well, do you think you can help our friend out, Tom?
Mabasa.
Great. Let's use your special object maker. Will you look at that? A super Hoover. Awesome. Let's go outside and see how this works. Let's try this super Hoover. Awesome. Look at that pile of garbage. It's disappearing for good.
What the?
Whoa. Once again, you overpassed yourself, Tom. What do you think, Gary? Gary, I think Tom would like to say something. Gary? Gary, you really should slow down, don't you? Well, I have to admit, this is very effective. Gary, this wasn't trash. Are you okay, Tom?
Blub blub.
Oh, Gary, you really should listen to Tom. Please stop the super Hoover. Guys! Come on, Gary. You have to stop the super Hoover. Careful, guys. Oh, boy. What a disaster. What should we do? Tom, can you find a solution to stop the super Hoover?
Hey, totals to.
Good. All right, let's see what you've got this time. Foam ball pistol.
Huh.
But what are you going to do with this new invention, Tom? I don't understand either, Gary.
What the?
Oh, now I get it. You want to block the hole of the vacuum hose thanks to the foam ball pistol. That is very smart, Tom. But you need to hurry. Okay, let's focus now. This super Hoover is running wild. Oh no, so close. Try again, but carefully this time. Bullseye! What a relief, right, Gary? Uh-oh. Carrie doesn't seem as glad as you are. What a mess in her candy shop.
Mabadada.
Is that your punishment for being greedy, Gary? At least you learned your lesson, right? Well, cheer up now. All's well that ends well.